You and your bushes.
All right, let's see the intro.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with the Club. How are you today, sir?
10 out of 15.
Today. You're going to get bit by a snake one of these days.
I just have to get something really quick. That's it. I just wanted that.
Where are we going to today?
We're going to Jimboy's Tacos.
Right. Long time ago, we went and had these Jimboy tacos, and I haven't been back, but you go back all the time.
Every day.
Well, the last time we went to the one in Alicia Viejo. This time what?
Huntington Beach.
Huntington Beach, California. It's super hot out. Right by the beach, we're going to see some ocean water.
Ocean goblins.
Ocean goblins. Did you where did that come from? So before we head over to Huntington Beach, we're gonna go see Bob. I keep getting a bunch of messages from y'all saying that you left him some stuff. Hopefully nobody beat me to Bob and took all the goods. We'll see. Jimboy's Tacos. There's no sense in me telling you all about the history of this place because I've already done that. If you guys want to know more about Jimboy's Tacos, go check out the original video I made. The video was hilarious anyway. I'll put a link to it in the description of the video. Thank you, sir.
Let's go see Bobby.
This is going to end badly. How much to drink this water?
$45.
For a full cup.
You dumb. Alright, we're here today to give you an old-fashioned salute. Alright, bye. Okay.
Alright, what do we got, Bob? We got a note. Club, brand, sub D, Kevin.
That's a good picture. I remember that day so clearly. Remember that?
Someone's motorcycle's upside down.
Yeah. That's mine. It's just knocked over in a bush. Sub D and Kevin. And we got my bike son, which is what Sub D's riding, and then these are the other two guys' bikes.
That's it.
That's it. Thanks, Bob. Have a good year.
Well, Bob, here's a sticker.
Alright, what are you going to be snagging today?
We're going to buy these.
You remember me?
You look familiar?
Eli's nephew.
That's right.
You know what else is funny? This.
Warito. How do you pronounce that? Do you know?
Yeah.
Me neither. Look at these wheels. All right, we come across our buddy Joe. How are you today, sir?
Doing well, how are you?
All right, well, we're going to invite you along. Do you want to go to Jimboy's Tacos in Huntington Beach?
I would love to.
Jimboy's Tacos, you know anything about it?
I do not.
Look at that. What happened? He got dirty.
What are you doing?
Good looking Jeeps. It's a Jamboree. So the guy in the BMW, Joe, I've met him before. He's actually Jaeger Troop's cousin or nephew. I'm not sure. But I met him before. He's a cool dude, so we invited him along. Hopefully he doesn't get a ticket. Jaeger Troop's a big guy. I don't want to get a beating. All right. We're going for the white line. Both those bikes are huge compared to this little guy. We'll see how she holds up. I got faith, man. This GSXR's got a lot of heart. Got it. Beat the shit out of both those dudes, didn't I? It's that 87 octane that she likes. I think I won again. Jimboy's Tacos. It's been a while, man. They cross my mind every now and then. I'm super excited to be heading back. They're all gonna want a rematch. I'm gonna give it to them too. All right, let's go. Not sure who won, man.
What the heck, man?
What happened?
The stinking heck, man. You
Who?
know what this means? Right
That last race, who won?
there. I beat you. I need gas, by the way. Soon. Go to the gas station, and then I'll change my battery there.
Someone took that thing out, huh? Hi, Joe. Would you like $10 to Chaparral? That's my gift to you. You should run him over with your truck. Go ahead, turn the wheel and hit him. Stupid gringo. The sad look in your face, the timing, the structure. Did you hear? He fucked her. A day late, a buck short. Look at the water. Nothing like cruising the coast on a super hot day, man. It's super duper. Some tight fits. Oh shit. Dare not make a sound. Man, it smells so good by the ocean, man. That ocean breeze is something. Wish I could just package it up and ship it to you. But I can't. Who do you think's gonna win? I'm gonna win. I think I won. If not, I get the style points anyway. He drives a Prius. You're just gonna have to deal with him. Your gas cap's open. Want me to shut it? Okay. Do you think that guy accidentally left his gas cap open but didn't want me to shut it because he wanted to act like he was doing it on purpose? I bet that's the case. A little bit of pride got in the way, huh? I bet he pulls into that gas station and fixes it. Yup. Oh, wasn't paying attention. They win, I lose. You know what? I've been beating them all day. I let them have that one. You guys know me, man. I'm a people person. I want those around me feeling good. And now they feel like winners. Punch buggy, no punch packs. Did I do that right?
Stop you! We gotta go get some Papa sauce. I just wanted to say hi!
What's up, buddy? How are you? That was so awkward. There we go. You watch the videos?
All the time.
All right. I think I got a sticker for you if you want one.
Sure.
There you go, sir.
Thank you, sir. We met before. The SoCal Bolt Riders.
Oh, yeah, at that American Grill place.
That means we've never met. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That place was pretty good for a $20 burger.
Yeah, exactly.
I won't be back because I don't have $20 for a cheeseburger. I go to McDonald's, get that 99-cent double cheeseburger, and it's just fine.
Yep.
Why is everybody got to be all honky-honky? Could you imagine if we had to sit in this traffic? No way. Seriously, I wouldn't even own a motorcycle if I had to sit in this traffic. No way, man. No way. I don't know how you guys do it. When we were in Canada and we had to sit in this traffic, it was torture. Jimboy's tacos. No shit. This is the worst place for us to be with these bikes.
Should I bring the horse, Bob?
You should bring the horse.
I feel like I'm gonna have to, huh? All right, let's go get some tops.
Jimboy's Tacos, man. How does this location compare to the other one we went to?
Last time I felt great, but this time I feel more like a flamingo, as you can see right here. So I'll be back in 3 or 4 seconds.
Okay, Joe, what'd you think? Jimboy's, you glad you came along with us?
I am, yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, man? What'd you think of the tacos?
It was great. I've never been to I haven't been to the other one, but I'd say I'd be here again.
I have a GT.
Let's continue.
And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Huge shout out to all the Patreons of the channel. Man, you guys make it all worth it. You guys help me put gas in the bike and make me feel all warm and fuzzy. Huge shout out to the channel sponsors. Those guys make it all happen, that's for sure. With that, I'll catch you later.